Hello everyone. I am excited to present Incident Commander AI, our autonomous multi-agent platform built for the SCL Tech OpenAI Agentic AI Hackathon. Today, when a critical production incident occurs, IT teams often spend valuable time switching between monitoring tools, log platform, cloud consoles, ITSM systems, and knowledge bases to identify the root cause. This manual coordination significantly increases the mean time to resolution. Our solution reimagines this process using agentic AI. Instead of relying on a single chatbot, Incident Commander AI launches a team of specialized AI agents that work together to investigate incidents, gather evidence, determine the root cause, recommend remediation, verify the outcome, and automatically generate incident documentation. Okay, so saying that, let me show you. This is our AI control tower. The central dashboard where we can monitor active incidents, agent collaboration, MCP tool execution, guardrail validation, AI token uses, enterprise integration, and overall platform health in real time. So you can see these are all agents. These are our active incident, whatever we resolve today, what are the MCP call happening right now, LLM request, cloud resources, and these are the demo controls which we can just click and trigger the demo incident for us since we don't have actual service now integrated here, but the tool is capable of a lot of integration like NCP guardrail monitoring, which can block the dangerous command, just for example. And we have enterprise integration like ServiceNow, Jira, Slack, and BMC Helix and cloud resources. We can see AWS, Azure, almost everything it is supported. And we also have integration for monitoring like Datadog, Dynatrace, Grafana, and all. And eventually the token utilization, because this is the money in AI era. So this is trending the cost and hourly token consumption and all. Okay, so to demonstrate the platform, I will open a chaos lab. So I have created a chaos lab as well, where we can just on a one click we can simulate incident. So we have two sandbox servers as well. One is app server and DB server. Or basically this will be the dashboard of the incident. So here there are the same option is here. So if I click on disk full and generate a demo incident, okay, within a second an incident is created and the command a commander agent orchestrated multiple specialized agents like infrastructure, metrics logs, change correlation, historical analysis, and codec investigation agents work in parallel to collect evidence. Okay, so you can see commander agent, it's doing what, infrastructure is checking, and then after looking the history and everything and recognize the remediation pattern, it is saying the confidence score is 92%. It is pretty much confident, like this is the root cause from the root cause agent, and it is suggested. So we can see it is standing at awaiting approval. So okay, so basically what agent did, agent access enterprise capabilities from MCP connectors, retrieval runbooks using RAG, and validate every recommendation through AI guardrails to ensure only safe and compliant actions are proposed. Once a high confidence remediation plan is generated, the system requests human approval before executing the corrective action. After the execution, so if I click on approve, the verification agents confirm that the issue has been resolved, and the communication agent automatically generates work notes, executive summaries, and the complete incident timeline. So here we can see temporary file cleaned, resolution agent saying it is application logs rotated and compressed, and now verification agent is saying the file system is sitting at 62%. The same we can see in the work note, just like a ServiceNow work note, which is having everything step by step. Okay, so beyond autonomous incident response, the platform demonstrated enterprise readiness with configurable integration with ServiceNow, BMC Helix, Jira, Datadog, Clouds, VMware, multiple LLM provider. It also includes RBAC, AI governance, token utilization, and LLM playground for model evolution and observability. Incident Commander AI showcases how autonomous AI agents can move beyond answering questions to actively collaborating, investigating, and resolving production incidents, helping organizations reduce MTTR while keeping humans in control through